Hi, today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 6R, and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with X Icon Changer app on this device. So first, let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter the X Icon Changer. So now we should get this first application. That's why I tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. So it always takes a couple of seconds. Maybe I just have a poor internet connection here. So one more try. So after that, we just click here to open this app. Click then to continue tab, and now we can select one from this available just applications. For example, let's use the phone. We can rename this app if you want. Also, here we have the different folders with the icons, so we can select one from these icons, or you can use photo from your device gallery, or just to take a picture in camera app right now. For example, I'll use this icons. So this is the phone app. Let's use this one. Now let's try to click on the right upper corner to OK. Now we should just skip the videos here and click here Add Automatically. We can just go to desktop directly, or just we can change the next icon just by the same way. So let's just go to the home screen, and now we can see here the new phone icon, and this is the just regular one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.